In today's video, I'll show you how you can add funds to your Steam wallet using PayPal. So let's get started. Now, the easiest and most simple way is to just go here into Steam, go into Games right here in the top left menu, and then go into Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. And from here, you want to click on See My Account Details right here. And basically, just go into Add Funds to your Steam wallet. And now you can choose the amount that you would want to add. Now you can choose one right here. So it would automatically adjust to the currency depending on where you are right now. So you don't have to worry about the currency here. Just click on add funds on the amount that you want. And then from here is that you want to make sure that the payment method is PayPal. The only issue with this simple and easy method is that it's not available in every country. As you can see, PayPal is currently not available in my country, but you would want to check in case that by the time that you're watching this, it is now available. Because as of July 2025, it was disabled by Steam because there was some conflict. So yeah, you would want to check here first just to see if you're eligible for PayPal here in Steam. If not, don't worry, we have a workaround. So simply go into your browser. I'm going to go here into browser and simply go into cgm.com. It's basically this one, cgm.com. So this is one of the legit providers here that sells Steam Wallet gift codes. So that would be the way for us to top up a balance into our Steam Wallet by purchasing a gift code right here. So once you're here in the website, go into search and type in Steam. And then you would now have this ones right here, Steam Wallet code, CRC, HKD, TWD, Euro, depending on the currency that you would want. So in my case, I would want to go for the Euro right here. I'm going to click on that, and then you would now be able to see this region right here, European Union, and so on. So yeah, you could just choose whatever it is that you would want, and then select the amount right here, and then you would now have the buy with PayPal option right here on the checkout. So just click on that, and then you would need to log in with your CGM account. If you don't have one, then you can just sign up and click on buy with PayPal, and after that you would need to log into your PayPal account for the confirmation of connecting your PayPal account into CGM for the purchase. And after this, once you now have successfully purchased this and you now got the Steam wallet code, go back into Steam and then just go into games again and go into redeem a Steam wallet code, enter the code right here, and then click on continue, and it will now be reflected on your wallet. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.